Hey everyone, it's Chris at Artifact. I wanted to share with you guys a new product that we have for our number 2020 mask. They're leather sliders that take the place of tying knots, and I'm going to show you how to install them on your mask. So this is our mask pouch and our mask filter. And this is a clean mask, but it's been used a bunch, and you can kind of see I've had this one for weeks. It's been washed dozens of times. If you want it to look just like your mask when you get it new, you can press it. I never iron anything, so that's why this one looks like that. And so this is what the slider looks like. It's die cut, it's got these little slits, and it works on like friction. It'll tension that. This is what it should look like when it's installed. So each of the ties are threaded through here, and then they just pull and stay. So let's put one on. Untie the knots. Gotta use my teeth. Don't show that. All right, that was a really good knot. But now we're back in business. So, as with all top grain leather, there's a flesh side, and then there's the top grain side. So I'm kind of particular, so I want the top grain side to be on the outside or the reveal, and let the flesh side be what's touching the back of my head. So what you do is you take it and you're gonna thread it through, and I'm gonna push it through this slot here on the flesh side, and I'm gonna use a key to coax this through. You can also use like a small flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna put it through like this. And this would be probably difficult to do without that, unless you've got powerful fingernails or. So I got that side. And the good news is, like, you only have to do this once, because I've been washing these with my mask and they don't mind it. Okay, this is accomplished on that side. So now this is where it gets, where you want to pay attention. So kind of follow your ties as they go out so that they aren't twisted. Bring this over, and what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to thread this through so it goes through that side. So you're gonna fold this one over, you're gonna put it here, push it through with your key, give yourself some room, and then go through the other end here. All right, look at that. So, there you go. And when you buy these, we sell them in packs of 6. They're gonna come with instructions that graphically show the steps. And if for some reason you can't do it, there's probably someone in your life, a neighbor, relative, friend that can do it. And you'll wanna probably keep them in mind, because they'll also be probably able to help you install a ceiling fan or your non-functioning doorbell, because they're probably real handy. So there we go. And let's do a demo on my head. So go top first. Shape the nose piece. Boom. Come over your head. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.